So today we will learn about default function parameter. With default parameter, you can assign default values to the function parameter, which come into play when the function is called without passing those parameters. For instance, in this example, we have a function called greet that takes two parameters, name and message. But what if we forget to pass the message parameter? It shows undefined. And that's where the default parameter comes to the rescue. By assigning message a default value of hello, we ensure that the function still works even if the message parameter is omitted. That's the beauty of default parameter in JavaScript. Now let's check them in action. I will create a function greet with a parameter name. Then I will return hello name. Let me call this function in console, and I will not pass any argument. So if I check the browser, I can see hello undefined. Now let's add a default parameter. I will use equal to and string value student. If I check the preview again, I can see hello student over here. But if I pass any argument, David for example, I should see hello David in the console. Now let's try to use multiple parameters. So I will also add greeting as a parameter. Then instead of just showing hello, I will use $sign greeting. If I remove the argument and check the preview, I can see undefined student. So let me also add the default parameter in greeting. Let me add hello. If I check the preview, I can see hello student over here. What if you want to update only the student parameter? So let me pass David as an argument. If I check the preview, I can see David student. I don't want to change the greeting parameter. I just want to change the name parameter. So let me try to add empty string at the beginning. If I check the preview, I can see empty string as well. So what if I remove this empty string and just put a comma? This time I see an error message. So in order to resolve this, you can use JavaScript's undefined. If you check the preview, now you can see hello David over here. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will learn the 8th and final topic, challenge. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.